money. And in America, tax is location based. So where you live matters a lot to what you will pay. And there are levels to who you pay that tax to. In most countries and in most other areas, probably only one person or one entity, one government authority you're going to end up paying tax to. In America, that's not true. There are multiple. So there is your local government, so the city or township where you reside. You pay them something like a business license or a local business tax. There's the county where you're probably going to pay a property tax or a business personal property tax. Then there's the state. You're going to pay the state a series of taxes and fees. And then there's the federal government. You're going to pay them also. So all of these tiers are opportunities for different tax, like government authorities, to collect some kind of revenue. A lot of states purely function on sales tax revenue, like Texas, their bread and butter, Florida, their bread and butter, California, bread and butter is localized state tax. So when the small business starts up, and they legitimize their business and they make a lot of money and they comply with the rules, the states get to collect that money and they're happy. They don't want you to not be a small business. They want you to be a business. That's why there's so many deductions that you can take when you're a small business. There are so many grants. There are so many favorable credits. There's so many things you can take as a small business owner, especially if you have employees, even one employee, because they want you to continue pumping money back into the taxing system, along with pumping money into the economy. So if you make shoes and now you have more revenue, you can now buy more things, which keeps the economy circling. They want these small businesses. When you're a person that works a W-2, you just go to your job and work your job. The likelihood that you're going to go and consume more is smaller because usually you tend to save, you conserve because your income is limited. But when you work for yourself, your income is as much as you can hold. And so there tends to be more money, more revenue, more ability to pay tax at all of the levels I mentioned. And so they write a lot of code to encourage people to start more businesses.
So